Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Okay, so I've got something a little bit special for you today. Me and Ben from Flawless have decided to team up. Ben had a big job to do, this is his job, but little time to do it. So he's called me in for a little bit of help. So there's all my equipment set up. We've got the Mazzoni boiler, Honda 21 litre a minute. Okay, so here's the first job, graffiti removal. This is offensive graffiti that's been covered up by the school with blue floor paint. This stuff's going to be really tough to get off, but let's see how we get on. So we'll start with applying some graffiti removal gel and see how we get on. Okay, so that's had time to soak in. Now we're going to go at it with low pressure and hot water. Okay, so the graffiti removal gel's not working as well as I'd hoped. We're going to switch over to another chemical and see how we get on using that. There you go, that's a much better result. Okay, job done. Right, that was a tough one. We had to go over that a few times, but that's vastly improved. I'm sure you'll all agree. Okay, so on to the next job. Okay, so this is one side of a school building. So we've got metal and wood cladding, both really covered in algae. The main cause of the algae is because of that big tree next to it, but there isn't much you can do about that except just keep it clean. So we're going to sort this out now with 150-degree heat through a telescopic pole. So this is the point where Ben got a little bit bored with what he was doing, decided to come over, push me off what I was doing and take over. Okay, second job of the day completed and looking very good, even if I do say so myself. Right, final job of the day. This is a very large Perspex covered bike shed or bike storage area, whatever you want to call it. You can see there's loads of algae and grime all over the Perspex. There's loads of dirt on the floor. This needs a good clean up. Join us at the end, see how we get on. Right, so we'll start with a very weak sodium hypochlorite soft wash pumped through a gardener backpack. We're talking 1% here, really light, because that's just enough to kill off the algae, loosen it from the surface, and it's not going to risk discolouring the Perspex. So once that's been scrubbed in, it just gets pressure washed off very gently, just a bit of a rinse down to take off the grime, and it comes up lovely. And we're done. That's looking amazing. Thank you, Ben, and thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one.